Hey guys, welcome to Combat University. Today we're going to go over how to defend against a looping punch. For this technique, we're going to go over a clip from the series Teen Titans. This is going to be Cyborg versus Atlas. So watch this clip and I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out.
Oh, you picked the wrong day to come online and mess with Cyborg. Booyah!
Hey! For technique number one, your opponent is throwing a looping punch, so he's coming here. As he does so, you're going to outblock. Just put your hand up and block it from hitting you. At the same time, we're going to step in and do a right down elbow right into the chest. From there, left cross elbow, right up elbow into the chin or the face. Again, out block as you strike down, across, and up into the chin. Right. For technique number two, you've already been struck. So you've struck here. You're going to turn, step into him as you down elbow into the chest. Turn, left elbow across, up elbow into the face. So for technique number three, we're going to be the aggressor. So instead of winding up here and coming down, he'll see it coming. We're going to do a sneak attack. We're going to do an up elbow. So just step forward and straight up into the chin, across, and then we're going to come down here. So for technique number one on the bag, he does a looping punch. We block out as we strike down. Cross, up. Technique number two, we've been struck. Turn, down elbow. Cross, up. Technique number three, the aggressor on the bag. Automatically, up elbow, cross, down. Go try it out. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time for more self-defense techniques.